Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make recent files on the Google Docs application to be available offline. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the settings icon that you can see in the upper left corner of the screen. Tap on the settings option down below. And here you can see the first option is make recent files available offline. So if you would like to turn on this function, just simply tap on the button next to this text, thereby making available all the documents in this folder. If you want to turn it off, you can either do this in total by repeating the same step that I have just showed you, or you can also do this individually by selecting the document that you would not make available offline by tapping on the three dots icon next to that document's title. And then, as you can see, you can remove the offline access by simply tapping on this option. Thereby this file is no longer available offline. So you can do this individually or either in total, affecting all your documents by going back to this settings section and tapping on this button, make recent files available offline, thereby turning off this function. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.